Now, first things first, we're gonna get out here and set up for the day. Now, I've got all of my Deerfield sand spikes done, but I'm gonna tell you what, game changer. Guys, I am no longer hammering these things in. I'm getting too old and my shoulders are done. Thanks to Mike Canley, who came and visited with me the other week and showed me his drill setup. And guys, I'm gonna tell you, it don't get no easier than this. Get those bad boys lined up against the shore. And there you go, hole created. Now for you guys who say, hey, I can pound them in, just wiggling back and forth, y'all have fun with that. I'm gonna save my shoulder strength for something else. But yeah, today we are gonna get out here. It's about, you know, truthfully, I don't even know what time it is. We got up early this morning around 5:30. It is currently 8:53. My father-in-law went and made some bacon and cheese sandwiches. Yes, you heard that right, bacon and cheese. I'm telling you, that's the way to start your day, bacon. All right, we're gonna go over here. We're gonna set this spike in. Just pat it down. All right, because on this trip, guys, we are going to plan on sending out the drone with the new big rod and big reel. Oh, let's see if I can find it here. So it is, oh, it's actually back here. So I've showed y'all that before, but this right here is the Mad Katz Legacy and extra heavy. And then we've got the big Avet reel in one of these here. So once I get that ready, we'll come back to it. So for the next week, guys, we're gonna be doing some fun things. I'm gonna shake it up a little bit and not do our traditional style videos. Each day, something different's gonna happen. But the first and foremost goal is I've got to break my father-in-law's record. His personal best down here is a 16 1/4 pompano. Mine is right at a 15, and I need to beat it. But also, I need to get over 4 pounds. I want a 4-pound pompano to set the goal high this year. So we're gonna see what we can do. I'm gonna start off with some fresh dead shrimp. I've got the Fish Gum Coquina Crush on both of these rods right now, and then when I get the other one set up, we're gonna throw a few different things out. So let's see what happens this week. Now for the next few rods, we're gonna take some big old fresh dead shrimp and the Fish Gum Atomic Yabby. Now I'm seeing little holes out here. I'm gonna try to remember later on, I do have a ghost shrimp pump that I got from Surf Fishing Solutions that I wanna try out. So hopefully we might be able to get some of those, but let's get these baited up. GoPro, start recording. That's what we've been after. All right, JJ. Finessed it in this time. Look at there. And it was caught on the BB. Woo! This one sand right in my mouth. Gosh, alrighty. Let's check it out here. Looks like we got right at 14 inches to the tail. Not quite my PB, but we'll take it. Some on the pink line. Maybe got another pump in front of the side. Bring him on in. Yes, sir. All it took was them leaving. There we go. Number 2. And he's self-ejected. right. Woo, there we go, guys. Number 2, 2 minutes of each other. Oh, that's great. Let's see where this one lines up. I'll spin you guys around. Sorry, my audio is going to suck. I'm putting the mic off because it was dying. There we go. Number 2. Move him on up there. Oh, all right. Finish his tail there. You stay still. Yep, another 14 right there, guys. Sweet. Oh, there we go. Oh, she's on. Oh, she's on that time. All right. Holy shit. There we go. Woo! Oh, guys, there we go. Another monster on. I can tell you right now, anybody out there wants to sponsor me a fighting plate and a harness, doing that raw dog, whew, I'm gonna tell you, that is crazy. But guys, that's gonna wrap it up for me. I'm exhausted. I ain't doing no more. I'm gonna wrap it up, and we'll see you in the next adventure.